Hello and welcome to the highland-creepaz, me Jack, and today we are going to be doing lots of stuff. Well, but I was looking but I want to know what the fuck are you, you fucking saw, there you are. You ruby hand saw. You look quite weird. So, on das. Uh-huh. 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 I'm just joking, guys. Hey! What a bird has been anyone by giant bird. The shiniest of the president shall not be the shiniest of two turds. You! I want like you! Don't talk about change your doing! I put it on my head until I bullet went from it. Your pancakes. It's a country and a company. I play like Monopoly. People. Yo. If you like that song, subscribe. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, Jack, come on, dude, get some more into this factory. Okay, I'll get started right on that. You, I wanna like you, don't talk about changing, do it. I put it on my head until I put it in for me. Dos, tres. How can I not reach 3 blocks down? I wanna like you, don't talk about change, just do it. Put that on my heat until a bullet, I went through it. I wanna like you, don't talk about change, just do it. Guys, actually, I'm just here to say, happy Bonfire Night, or Guy Fawkes, whatever you guys call it. I hope you have a lovely time, you guys, tonight. If you're setting off any fireworks, remember to be safe. I'm just letting you know, guys, just be safe. I don't want any of my fans getting hurt. If you guys come back saying, ah, Jack, I got a scar, I would cry in shame that my fans nearly died. I'm just joking, guys. But yes, please watch yourself. Always have buckets and stuff ready, and like buckets of water. And please keep safe. Just please don't go and die on. Oh, whoa! I got dark. I got dark really quick. So yeah, guys, listen to my message. Try and stay away from fireworks if you're under the age of 18, which is me. I will be staying away from fireworks, but I will be watching fireworks, and I will be watching my dad set off some. I will record it, so hope so you guys can have a fun time watching the fireworks be set off. Yeah, I need to do it on my laptop. What is up, guys? My name is Jack. I'm sorry, guys. I was just talking to myself, like, what I'd be doing. Like, this is what I'd be like, what's going on, guys? My name is Jack, and welcome to Bonfire Night. Woo! You, I wanna like you. Don't talk about changing the way. I put it on my head until I'm a little in the front. Okay. So, yeah, that's right. Just keep safe, guys, because I don't want any of you come back saying, oh, I got you on the face by a firework. If you do, I feel sorry. Oh, really, I do. I really do. Dos, tres. on. I said on. On, Dama! So, if you guys stay in Scotland, I will be up in the Campsies tonight, about 7 AM maybe, I think. I'm definitely going somewhere, but to set off fireworks, so you can meet me there. If you guys live in Scotland, obviously. Troll. Lol, lol, lol. And no, I am not just saying this to annoy you. I am really going there. So remember to go there, check it out, see if I'm there. If I'm not there, I am sorry. But that's not me. So I'm going to end this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and like. Peace off.